The expandable edge flashing is designed to flash large penetrations of any shape going through roofs or external walls, expansion joints, bullnoses, big rectangular ducts, and many other applications. Made of advanced technology polymer, it has two built-in aluminum strips, with a special design that allows it to expand up to 25% of its original size, thus allowing it to suit any application. Deckstrip, like all Decktype products, requires few tools for its installation: a sand hammer, tinsmith scissors, self-tapping screws, an electric screwdriver, and any neutral silicone or polyurethane sealer. To install Deckstrip, the first step is to dimension and cut the piece of Deckstrip that will be on the lower side of the slope, leaning the superior edge against the vertical surface as shown. Then secure the ends with 2 screws and apply the sealant to ensure there will be no leaks. Next, secure the piece of Deckstrip on the vertical surface, ensuring the gap between the self-tapping screws is not bigger than 4 centimeters. Proceed to fit the lower edge of the roof, ensuring the aluminum edge is stretched to follow the profile of the roof you're working on. Apply the neutral silicone to work as a sealer and fasten the screws in the valleys of the roof to ensure the appropriate fitment of the flashing. Next, bend the edge of the Deckstrip against the corner of the vertical surface and cut the next piece that will be applied on one of the sides. Ensure a good alignment before applying the silicone. Next, fasten the screws maintaining a gap of no more than 4 centimeters. Push on the lower part of the Deckstrip strip and secure it as usual. Afterwards, screw on an aluminum strip, pre-cut at the necessary length to secure the sealing at the edges of the Deckstrip. Repeat the procedure on the other side. Measure the Deckstrip, cut the necessary length, put it against the vertical surface, apply the sealer, and screw against the vertical surface. Repeat the procedure on the lower part. While pushing against the surface, screw the edges every 4 centimeters or so. On the lower edge, use the aluminum hoop by screwing first on the valleys and then on the crests. Finally, apply the screws on the exterior side. Push down the lateral strips against the roof. Position the piece of Deckstrip that will occupy the upper part and cut to the proper size. Then repeat the procedure. Place the Deckstrip against the vertical surface, apply the sealer, and screw every 4 centimeters or so. Apply the sealer on the Deckstrip edges and screw it, making sure to apply 1 screw on the vertical surface. Then screw the corners of the upper edge and ensure there is enough sealant under it, before fastening the screws on the rest of the upper edges. On the sides, use an aluminum strip pre-cut at the necessary length and drive a screw every 4 centimeters or so. You will then need to do the same operation on the opposite side. The installation is ready. You can now observe how the water flows around the Decktight Deckstrip with not a drop of water leaking through. The Decktight Deckstrip can be painted with acrylic painting and holds a 20-year warranty. Do not hesitate to contact your nearest authorized distributor to source what you need. There is a product for all kinds of applications.